you in the club?
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Kaylee and I'm here with Spongebob Hello Kitty. And she has lots of fun surprises to share with you. So I can't wait to show you what's all inside. Okay, let's see what fell out here. There is a Kinder Surprise egg that has Avengers on it and a Sophia the First fashions. Kinder chocolate. Yum. Let's see who we got. It's Hawkeye, I think. And it's some kind of game because you press his head and different numbers come up. There's 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm not sure what it's for, but it just shows that you can press his head down and get a new number. And here are all of the ones that you can collect. Next up, Sophia the First fashions. Oh my gosh, I got Clover again. I always get Clover. I think I have 4 different Clovers now. And a Marvel figure mascot. So far, I found Captain America, Falcon, Spider-Man, and the Golden Spider-Man. I really hope that I get a different one, especially Thor. Let's see. And it is Thor! Awesome! I'm so happy. He is my favorite. Look at his little hammer and his long blonde hair. He's so cute. Hot Wheels. I love these. Oh my gosh, look at this car, a Formulator. It's pink. I love it. I wish this was my car. Blue. It's Peppa Pig. Whoops. Look who we got. It's Danny Dog. And here is a closer look at Danny Dog. He's got red cheeks. I choose pink. Ooh, good choice. You know what this is? Season 3 Shopkins. Oh, we got a green candy apple. And I think this is a sneaker. Maybe Susie sneaker? I can't remember her name. Her name is Sneaky Sally. That's a cute name. I like these shoes too. So Sneaky Sally is a green, so she's rare. And Candy Apple. Candy Apple is white, so she's a common. Which one do you like better? I think I like Sneaky Sally. And next up, a Minnie Mouse blind bag. It's a pocket locket. I've only opened one of these so far. And these are kind of neat because they come with 3 things. So you get a character, and it looks like this time we got Donald Duck, and an accessory, and I'm not sure what this is. I think it's a cash register. And then you get a little scene. And the scene that we got is the grocery store. It looks like the fruits and vegetables section, or produce. So let's see what our accessory is. It could be the produce scale. It looks like it might be broken. Oh, it is the cash register. See? Cash register. Donald Duck, and the cash register, and the grocery store. Cute! I choose yellow. And I got a Shopkins plush keyring. Maybe I'll get something different. So far I've gotten the cookie and the strawberry and the green apple. Nope, I got the green apple again. Oh well, she's so cute. Look at the nice stitching that they did, and it's super, super soft. She has 2 little felt flowers and a worm on top. Next up, I'm gonna pick purple. Whoa! Ooh, a palace pet. Aww, I got the pony. And she belongs to Cinderella. Her name is Bibbidi. You can't quite see it there because it came off when I opened it, but that's her name. Like Bibbidi Bobbidi Boop. Here's a closer look at Bibbidi. Isn't she cute? You can definitely tell that she belongs to Cinderella, huh? And now I'm gonna get red. Ooh, it's a Tokidoki unicorn. The Frenzies. These are awesome. And, oh my goodness, I just opened this one the other day. It's Pinkie Pie. Okay, before I open up this Kinder Surprise egg, I'm gonna see what's in the pink egg. And it's a Sheriff Callie toy. I think I've collected all of them by now. Aw, how lucky! I got Sheriff Callie. I love calico cats. They're so cute. Alright, it's time to open the Kinder Surprise egg that we have left. And it's a Disney Fairies Kinder Surprise. Ooh, look which fairy we got. Can you tell? Her name is Gliss. She has light blue glittery ears and white hair. There we go. Look how pretty she is. So fancy and delicate. Okay guys, that's all the surprises for this egg. But leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite surprise was from this egg. And if you'd like to see more surprises, just click on the like button. My favorite surprise today was probably this awesome car, the Formulator. This is Kaylee for DCTC, and thanks for watching.
Another video, that's the end.
Come back soon or we'll miss you, friend.
DCTC. We do toy reviews. DCTC.
And we play with Play-Doh too.
Skits, pranks, eggs and toys.
We make videos for girls and boys.
That's right.